Hey guys, welcome back to Carib 21 Network. So, in keeping with the promise that we made here at Carib 21 Network to thank and acknowledge each government across the region and across the world that have stepped up to support Jamaica in her time of needs. And this is a perfect example that no one is an island and no one stands alone. And at some point in our existence that we're going to need our brothers and sisters, whether in the Caribbean or in the wider world, to be there for us in our times of need. Especially now when we're seeing more natural disasters happening on a more frequent level, whether it's tornadoes, earthquake, wildfire, hurricane, you name it. Natural disasters are becoming more of a daily, yearly happening in the world that we're living in today. So in keeping with that promise, I would like to thank the government and the people of the beautiful Turks and Caicos Island for their contribution to the recovery and the relief in Jamaica. The government of Turks and Caicos, they pledged $1 million and urged the private sector and the people of Turks and Caicos to match that with a relief package of $2 million to be sent to Jamaica. And as I said, I just want to take this opportunity to thank the people of Turks and Caicos and the government of Turks and Caicos. Turks and Caicos we have had a close relationship, Jamaica and Turks and Caicos. A lot of Jamaicans, whether nurses or teachers, go to Turks and Caicos and apply their skills in Turks and Caicos. So it is good that we see in our time of need that this is something that is happening right now and the government is stepping up to help Jamaica in our time of need. And this should be a lesson for us as Jamaicans in terms of sacrificing for our brothers and sisters in the Caribbean. There are many times when we have the opportunity to sacrifice to help people from other countries in the Caribbean, in particular Haiti. We have seen on numerous occasions where Jamaicans, we have the opportunity to help our brothers and sisters that are suffering in Haiti. And many times we have seen refugees come to Jamaica to try and seek refuge in Jamaica. And Jamaicans would go on social media and would say that the government don't have enough money to take care of Jamaica, so the government should not assist those people, the Haitians that come to Jamaica to seek refuge. This is a reminder of that. This $2 million that is coming from Turks and Caicos, this is not free money. This is money that taxpayers of Turks and Caicos would have paid into the government. And this is money, this $2 million could have gone to fix roads in Turks and Caicos, to do a lot of things to make Turks and Caicos better for people living in Turks and Caicos. So this is a sacrifice from the government and the people of Turks and Caicos to help Jamaica to recover. So as Jamaicans, whenever we have an opportunity again to help people within our region that are suffering, whether it's from Cuba, whether it's from Haiti, people that come to seek refuge in Jamaica, we should not look and say that, look, our government can't afford it, because this, in our time of needs now, we're seeing the world stepping up to assist Jamaica in recovery. So again, this is a lesson for all of us as Jamaicans to learn that we all need each other at some point in our existence. So this was the message from the Premier of Turks and Caicos to the government and the people of Jamaica, that they are standing with us in this time of need.
On behalf of the government and people of the Turks and Caicos Islands, I extend heartfelt thoughts and prayers to the government and people of Jamaica as they respond to the devastating aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. The Turks and Caicos Islands stands in unwavering solidarity with our Caribbean family during this difficult time. Ours is a bond strengthened by shared history, culture, and the countless contributions of Jamaicans to our society, from education and healthcare to hospitality and national security. In this spirit of unity and compassion, my government has approved a financial donation of $1 million to the government of Jamaica, and we are further calling on our private sector partners to match this contribution in recognition of the vital role the Jamaican workforce plays in our economy, for a combination cash support of $2 million. Those wishing to contribute may contact the Office of the Premier for guidance on facilitating their donations directly to the government of Jamaica. We have also authorized the deployment of 16 members of the Turks and Caicos Islands Regiment to assist in disaster relief and recovery efforts, and are collaborating with Graceway Supermarkets, Sunny Foods, and GK Foods to support food donations. Additionally, we are working alongside the TCI Red Cross, the Ministry of Health, and other partners to coordinate the delivery of medical supplies to assist those in need. Our leadership is rooted not only in diplomacy and policy, but in empathy and the community. Whether at the table of international cooperation or in the face of regional crises, the Turks and Caicos Islands stands ready to lead, to serve, and to uplift. In times of hardship, the strength of our Caribbean family shines brightest. Together, we will rebuild, recover, and rise stronger than before.